Hi guys, how is it going? We are after a lot of rain and probably we're gonna expect a little more rain today. When I say little, there is a lot in Florida when it's rainy season. But I wanted to take a little time to show you the sugar apples. The young trees are weeping from the fruit and they are not even full size yet. So I don't know how well the branch is gonna hold up with all this fruit, but we shall see in the near future. And these trees I fertilize with chop and drop. I use moringa and moringa leaves, moringa branches. I chop it up, I put it around the trees, and I have plenty of mulch around the trees. And some of these trees I also have bubbler. When there is no rain, they also get watered early mornings with the bubbler. The red one or the purple variety one, I don't have bubbler, but it's doing just as fine like the green one, which actually got one. These trees are amazing because it's like a little dessert when their fruit is ripe. As for nutritional value, they are actually pretty good. One serving, which is around 120 grams, it contains a good amount of vitamin C, about 38% for the recommended daily intake. Contains a good amount of magnesium, about 22% recommended daily. And vitamin B6, about 15%. And iron, 6%. And this is in only 120 grams. So it's just a part of one fruit. I am super excited to have all these fruit sets. Now I'm praying that all goes well and they actually going to ripen up and we can enjoy some good organic sugar apples. All right guys, thanks so much for watching. Oh, that's a Rollinia, by the way. And I wanted to show you the orchid on the Oncidium, the dancing lady Oncidium. And with that, I wish you a great weekend, relaxing weekend. See you, bye.